We'll guide you through how to download a Figma file onto your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and navigate to the file you want to download. Make sure you're logged into your Figma account. Once you've opened the file, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Share button. This will open up a sharing dialog box. In the dialog box, you'll see an option that says Export at the bottom. Click on Export to open the export settings. Here you can choose the format in which you want to download your file. The most common formats are PDF, PNG, or SVG depending on your needs. Select your desired format. If you're downloading a specific frame or component, be sure to select it from the Figma canvas before hitting export. After selecting the format, you may be given options to adjust the scale or quality of the download, especially for images. Once you've set your preferences, click on Export again to start the download process. Your file will be saved to your computer's default download location. If you're exporting multiple frames or components, they'll be downloaded as separate files or within a compressed zip file. This method ensures you have a copy of your file offline for presentations or further editing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.